past, huh?
Yeah, especially when the president's turned into an asshole. Fucking bitch. Nobody wants to roll with me no more. It's like I'm tainted.
What do you mean?
Playboy don't want to hang no more. He pays for you to come over instead. My girlfriend, the love of my fucking life. Man, I was pulling moves in the joint so this bitch could pay rent. Now she won't answer the phone. Man, I gave her everything when I was inside. Cars, houses, apartments, bank accounts, everything. I heard she hanging with Javon now.
Who?
Some punk who fucking talked. Swears he wasn't involved in me going down, but I knew his ass was lying. Now motherfuckers fucking my girl? For real? Shit is fucked up, man. Sometimes I just want to end this shit. Just bam. But I ain't there yet. Not quite.
Listen, why don't you go talk to her?
Ain't shit to say.
Then I'll go speak to both of them. I'll ask for your money back, and if they don't agree, I'll make them. Where did they hang out?
At some arcade in Chinatown. Look, man, don't bother.
No, I'll bother. I'm getting paid. And besides, you remind me of me. Hey! Are you the two snakes who played Dwayne Forge when he was in the joint? He wants his money.
Me a go thump ya!
Dwayne don't need to worry about having that girl's blood on his hands on top of everything else.
Eat my taint!
Don't worry, you'll lose your virginity one day.
You better hope I don't find
That's some crazy shit!
lunatic.
Is that damn delivery service going to get here?
No fucking way! Excuse me.
Oh no! How civilized!
I collected on that debt for you.
They paid up? Guess my name still means something out there. People are still scared of me.
They are. I got rid of Javon for you, but I let your ex go.
That fool Charisse, she just couldn't help herself. She always told me she'd burn me good. Guess I should've listened. Happy she ain't dead, though. She just an idiot. Peace, man.
Hello?
I'm busy.
I said hello.
Ow!
Is
Motherfucker!
your boss around?
What'd you do that for?
Is your boss around?
Yeah, he's around. Brucey, some fucking Pollock asshole for you.
Pleasure to meet you too.
He's not a Pollock. He's a gentleman. Still a fucking asshole.
Sorry, Nicky, man. How's things?
Okay.
Sweet. I got you, man. I'm big, but I'm also fast. Wake up, boy!
Oh, I'm sorry. Can you show me that again?
Oh! Ah! Oh! Enough, man! Enough! Oh! Oh. Fuck me,
Be
man.
alright, huh?
Oh, that's some Red Army shit, serious. You gotta show me that one. I'm all about power. Come on, touch my best, man.
No, thank you.
Rock hard. I bet 450. Oh my.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, no shit. What are you doing here, man?
Well, Roman said maybe you needed some help and we need some money real bad.
Shit, my bad. Yeah, of course. Love that guy. Love him. I mean, I'm no chubby chicks, but if I was and a queer guy, I'd be in trouble, you know what
Oh,
I mean?
let them know.
Hey, I'm shitting with you. Brucey likes pussy. Remember that, right?
Okay.
All right, now, Nicky, listen up. I know you guys need money bad.
Yeah.
This ain't a nice job. Not exactly mom and pop shit.
No problem, as long as the pay is good.
Sometimes people fuck other people over, okay? And the people that fuck other people need to get fucked with, especially people that go into hiding before they can get on the stand and put a lot of guys inside for a lot of time.
What?
I need you to whack some people, only they're in hiding.
How do I find them?
Man, you're cold! You didn't even blink! Love that! Fucking love that! You gotta steal a police car, get on the computer, give me a call. They're easy to hack.
Not really. All right, Brucey. I'll give you a call.